Look at this jackass. What is he doing? He had his... Oh!
What if there's gonna be like a rodeo here? What if there's gonna be like a rodeo here?
God damn it!
Video locked.
Go past these lights, then turn right into the car park.
Oh man!
All of this is likely to result in higher inflation, and it might continue for quite some time. For example, a former energy advisor just said that shipping could be interrupted for weeks or months. Oil markets view that the U.S. Navy would resolve the situation in hours or days.
What? You need. This is my preference, okay?
Come on now.
Really, that you came here to talk to me? You piece of.
Concordaria contigo. Agora, dependendo da forma que é feita, eu acho errado. Agora, quando você apresenta
não, olha lá, Rodrigo.
um argumento,
Ai, meu,
uma
não é
justificativa
possível.
histórica, não cometeram crime algum.
I have a dash can here.
Eles não. Para favorecer pessoas que não foram vítimas de crime algum.
Nossa.
Oh, a goddamn wreck. There ain't no excuse for it. What the dude?
Yeah, we're two of our kind, and we're getting on a full house. This time I found people.
Con Sandy, Laurita y La Llama. The morning in the shower. Let your mornings flow. Desde las 6 de la mañana. Aquí en Latino Mix 107.9 y 107.1.
Solo este sábado y domingo en Onda. Consigue suéteres para adultos a $16 y suéteres para niños y niñas a $12. Así es, los suéteres ideales para esta temporada por solo $16 y $12.